This Easter, while the world hunted for chocolate eggs and enjoyed long brunches, we chased a different kind of peace, just the two of us, and our Tiger 900 into the heart of the Tatra Mountains. The ride from Krakow to Zakopane is familiar, but with every curve, it felt like we were leaving the noise behind and stepping into something timeless. Our destination, a quiet gem called Camping Leg, tucked between whispering trees and the slow dance of a stream. We arrived with just the essentials: a tent, a small stove, and open hearts. As we pitched our shelter, the sky turned gold, and the forest welcomed us like old friends. No distractions, just the soothing sound of water, birds calling from the canopy, and the scent of pine wrapped around us like a warm hug. Dinner was simple, but everything tastes better when you cook it together, beneath the open sky, surrounded by nature's orchestra. We laughed, we listened, and we let time slow down. It was only one night, but in those hours, we found what we often forget to look for: stillness, connection, wonder. On Easter Monday, we packed up, but left a part of our hearts behind. This wasn't just a ride, it was a reset, a reminder that in a world that moves too fast, sometimes you just need a mountain, a motorcycle, and someone to share the silence with. This is Typically Indian, a journey of two hearts on two wheels, seeking moments that matter. Until the next adventure.